Hi, this is Stephanie Richardson, certified coach, speaker, and trainer with the John Maxwell team, and owner of Unlock Your Potential. Do you want to know how to grow your business? It's really pretty simple. The way you can grow your business is that you have to get results for other people, and then you want to get them to share the results that they've achieved because of you and your influence. And then you have to have the courage to talk about it. So I'm going to share with you some stories of some of my clients because I'm so passionate about what I do. And I've seen such a powerful transformation in their lives. So there are some chiropractors that I coach who were seeing 100 patients a month when I first started working with them, who are now seeing over 400 a month and have had 3 staff members join their team as a result. The franchise owner, who is the #1 franchise owner in the country in her franchise. The physical therapist who has doubled her business. The sales professional who we worked on her sales presentation and I coached her through wording and now has become one of the top 40 in her company and has earned an incentive trip to Hawaii. The nurse practitioner and the real estate agent who have held accountable to paying off all of their personal debt-free. And the financial planner who never thought he could be at the weight he was before he got married, but has gotten to that weight and has kept it off for an entire year. And his confidence in himself has increased as a result of how he looks, and that's impacted his business. So I want to be a catalyst for change in your life, and I would love to help you get these kinds of results for yourself. So reach out to me and let me know how I can help you be transformed.